Pull the yarn through. Place it properly, then tie these two ends of yarn. Tie them up. Make it face upwards. Ensure the direction is upwards and tighten the yarn ends. Tighten the second round a bit more. Then cut off the excess yarn. Next, start assembling. Second leaf. Then go down. For the first leaf, count 3 stitches down. The first, second, third, fourth. Then, bring the leaf over. Tie the 2 yarn ends again. Tighten the second round a bit more. Then trim the yarn ends. The flower stem assembly is complete. Next, start connecting to the flower body.